Could, should, and would are modal verbs that can be used in questions to ask for information or to make requests. Here are some examples of how they can be used. Could, in questions. 1. Could you help me with this? 2. Could you pass me the salt, please? 3. Could you tell me what time it is? In these examples, could is used to ask for assistance, a favor, or information politely. Should, in questions. 1. Should I wear a coat today? 2. Should we call the police? 3. Shouldn't you be studying right now? In these examples, should is used to ask for advice or to express an opinion about what the speaker thinks is the right thing to do. Would, in questions. 1. Would you like to go out to eat tonight? 2. Would it be possible to reschedule the meeting? 3. Would you mind closing the window? In these examples, would is used to make a request or to ask for permission politely. Overall, these modal verbs can be used in various ways to ask for information, make requests, express opinions or preferences, and more.